Plant FAQs. Enkianthus campanulatus. Enkianthus campanulatus, a showstopper for any garden. For those seeking a shrub that offers year-round beauty with minimal fuss, look no further than the Enkianthus campanulatus. This captivating plant, also known as the red vein Enkianthus, has stolen a place in my heart and garden, with its stunning combination of springtime blooms, vibrant fall foliage, and effortless charm. Over the past few years, I've been thoroughly impressed by the Enkianthus campanulatus' ability to thrive in my garden. Now, I'm eager to share my experience and knowledge about this underappreciated gem with you. The Enkianthus campanulatus is a deciduous shrub belonging to the Ericaceae family, which also includes rhododendrons and azaleas. Native to the mountainous regions of Japan and Korea, this slow-growing beauty boasts a mature height of around 6 to 10 feet and a width of 4 to 8 feet. Its upright, narrow habit makes it a perfect choice for adding vertical interest to garden borders or creating a stunning focal point in a woodland setting. Why I love Enkianthus campanulatus. There are several reasons why the Enkianthus campanulatus has become a favorite in my garden. Springtime spectacle. From mid-spring to early summer, the Enkianthus campanulatus erupts in a profusion of bell-shaped, creamy white flowers. These delicate blooms often boast a hint of red veining, adding a touch of intrigue to the display. The overall effect is reminiscent of purest japonica flowers, but with a more delicate and graceful charm. Fall foliage fantasia. As summer fades, the magic continues. The glossy, bright green foliage of the Enkianthus campanulatus undergoes a dramatic transformation. The leaves erupt in a fiery display of coppery reds, oranges, and yellows, creating a breathtaking spectacle that rivals any maple. Low-maintenance marvel. One of the things I appreciate most about the Enkianthus campanulatus is its low-maintenance nature. This easygoing shrub requires minimal care to thrive. Once established, it's quite drought-tolerant and relatively pest and disease-resistant. Versatility in the garden. The Enkianthus campanulatus' adaptability makes it a valuable addition to various garden settings. It thrives in partial shade, making it a perfect choice for planting beneath taller trees. Its compact size also allows for placement in smaller gardens or containers. How to care for Enkianthus campanulatus. While the Enkianthus campanulatus is a low-maintenance shrub, providing basic care will ensure it flourishes in your garden. Planting. Choose a location that receives dappled sunlight or partial shade. The Enkianthus campanulatus prefers moist, well-draining soil. Amending the planting site with organic matter like compost can help improve drainage and provide essential nutrients. Watering. During the first growing season, water your Enkianthus campanulatus regularly, especially during periods of hot or dry weather. Once established, it's quite drought-tolerant, but supplemental watering during extended dry spells may be beneficial. Mulching. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of your Enkianthus campanulatus to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Aim for a 2 to 3 inch layer of organic mulch like shredded bark or wood chips. Fertilizing. While Enkianthus campanulatus is not a heavy feeder, a light application of a balanced fertilizer in early spring can promote healthy growth and flowering. How to prune Enkianthus campanulatus. Pruning is not essential for the Enkianthus campanulatus, but it can be beneficial for maintaining its shape and size. The ideal time to prune is just after flowering has finished in late spring or early summer. When pruning, focus on removing dead, diseased, or damaged branches. You can also lightly shape the shrub to maintain its desired form. However, avoid drastic pruning, as this can negatively impact flowering. Where to buy Enkianthus campanulatus? Finding Enkianthus campanulatus at your local garden center can sometimes be a challenge. However, many online nurseries and specialty plant retailers offer this unique shrub. Here are some tips for finding a reputable source. Look for established nurseries specializing in unusual plants or native species. These nurseries are more likely to carry Enkianthus campanulatus. Search online retailers specializing in rare or uncommon plants. Many online nurseries offer a wide variety of plants, including Enkianthus campanulatus. What to plant with Enkianthus campanulatus? The Enkianthus campanulatus pairs beautifully with a variety of plants that share its preference for partial shade and acidic soil. Here are a few ideas for companion plants. Ferns. Ferns add a textural contrast and a sense of tranquility with their lacy fronds. Consider varieties like Japanese painted ferns, Ethereum niponicum, or maidenhair ferns, Adiantum spp, for a delicate touch. Hostas provide colorful foliage interest throughout the season. Their large, variegated leaves complement the vibrant fall colors of the Enkianthus campanulatus. Opt for shade-tolerant varieties like Hosta Blue Angel or Hosta June. Azaleas and rhododendrons. Since they share similar growing requirements, Enkianthus campanulatus thrives alongside azaleas and rhododendrons. Choose early blooming azaleas to extend the flower show in spring, or select varieties with complementary foliage colors. Japanese maples. For a truly stunning fall display, consider planting an Enkianthus campanulatus near a Japanese maple. The combination of fiery reds, oranges, and yellows creates a breathtaking autumn spectacle. Opt for a Japanese maple variety with a contrasting leaf shape, like the threadleaf Japanese maple, Acer palmatum dissectum. By incorporating these suggestions, you can create a harmonious and visually captivating garden that showcases the beauty of the Enkianthus campanulatus throughout the seasons.